Lymphoid progenitors are produced in which of the following tissues? A. The bone marrow. B. The liver. C. Gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Lymphoid progenitor cells are produced in all of the following tissues: the liver, the bone marrow, spleen, and gut-associated lymphoid tissue, mainly found in the liver and intestines. However, note that the vast majority of all blood cells are produced in the red bone marrow of long bones by hematopoietic stem cells. Which immune cell is specialized for immunity against multicellular parasites? A. Eosinophils. B. Basophils. C. Monocytes. D. Natural killer cells. The answer is A. Eosinophils. While all of the cells listed may have some indirect involvement in the overall response to a parasitic infection, eosinophils are the only immune cells that are specialized to respond to multicellular parasites, especially helminths such as hookworms and pinworms. Mast cells contain high concentrations of which of the following? A. Tryptase. B. Heparin. C. Histamine. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Mast cells are rich in granules that contain high concentrations of heparin, histamine, and trypsin, among other preformed proteases. These granules also contain serotonin and various eicosanoids. The function of mast cells is primarily to regulate immune, inflammatory, responses to allergens. Which of the following would be considered to be part of nonspecific immunity? A. Plasma cells. B. Macrophages. C. Memory cells. D. CD8 T cells. The answer is B. Macrophages. Macrophages, the main blood cells responsible for phagocytosis of debris, bacteria, and virally infected cells, are part of the nonspecific immune response. While they are able to recognize self versus non-self proteins, they are not uniquely sensitive to any particular non-self protein type. Rather, they phagocytose foreign matter as well as cellular debris. Plasma cells, memory cells, and CD8 T cells are all lymphocytes, and as such they are all part of the adaptive or specific immune system, meaning that they are uniquely sensitive to particular pathogenic proteins. Which of the following antibacterial enzymes is present in saliva? A. Lingual lipase. B. Lysozyme. C. Kallikrein. D. Amylase. The answer is B. Lysozyme. While all of the enzymes listed are present in saliva, lysozyme is the only enzyme listed that has antibacterial properties. This enzyme, present not only in saliva but also in tears, sweat, and breast milk, damages bacterial cell walls, making it an important part of the innate immune system. Amylase breaks down carbohydrates, lipase breaks down lipids, and kallikrein breaks down proteins.